Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why it's so tough to count bats in Africa? Well, today I'm diving into the challenges of capturing and estimating the population size of these fascinating nocturnal creatures. First off, bats are known for their seasonal migrations. They shift habitats throughout the year, making it incredibly hard to track their populations consistently. And since they're active at night, counting them during the day is out of the question. Imagine trying to count something that's constantly moving in the dark. Bats have adapted to low light conditions and can fly super fast, so capturing and counting them requires some pretty advanced techniques. Let's talk about some of those methods. One common technique is mist netting. This involves setting up fine mesh nets in areas where bats are likely to fly. Roost surveys are another method where researchers locate and count bats at their roosting sites. And then, there are acoustic surveys, which use microphones to detect bats based on their echolocation calls. By analyzing these calls, researchers can predict species abundance and movement tracks. Each of these methods has its advantages. For instance, mist nets can be adjusted for different species sizes and age groups. They also allow for the quick and efficient capture of large numbers of bats. Roost surveys offer direct observation in their natural habitats, providing accurate population estimates. And acoustic surveys? They're non-invasive, meaning no bats are harmed in the process. But there are disadvantages too. Roost surveys can be really challenging for bats that roost in concealed locations like tree cavities. Acoustic surveys can struggle with identification since some bat species have similar echolocation calls. And mist nets? Bats can get entangled, which can lead to injury or even death. So, how do researchers overcome these difficulties? Remote sensing techniques like LiDAR and thermal imaging can identify potential roosting sites and monitor bat activity without disturbing them. Another solution is citizen science programs. Engaging local communities in bat monitoring can gather valuable data and raise public awareness about bat conservation. In summary, counting African bats at night is no easy task. It requires a blend of traditional and modern techniques, each with its pros and cons. But with continuous innovation and community involvement, we can better understand and protect these incredible creatures. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife insights. Subtitles: Journal of Ornithology, 2020. The Challenges of Capturing and Studying Nocturnal Birds. African Journal of Ecology, 2020. Using acoustic surveys to assess bat diversity and distribution in South Africa. South African National Biodiversity Institute, SANBI. SANBI conducts extensive research on bats in South Africa. End slide with references.